Welcome friends, my name is Yuri, top 20 new offer this lesson about how much money do you need for a start in your trading career. Friends, many of you ask me how much money do you need to have as your first account, and also I receive many messages from freshers from TradingView when they show me their statistic, especially when they start their trading career. And I saw so many mistakes which have you done and which many people done and which I personally have done. And this lesson will change your approach dramatically, because for some people, for some of you who will watch what I will tell you the next, it will change completely your life, because for some people it will save thousands of USD, for some people it will save even hundred thousands of USD. That's why right now push like, push subscribe button and share this lesson with your friends, because believe me, it will be useful, I promise you. Let's go. Okay friends, why this lesson is important for you? Because I receive many messages from TradingView from freshers who has like 100k account, 200k account, and many of them blew out. For example, like a few weeks ago, one man, Jay from Malaysia, wrote to me. He had 200k account and he blew out everything completely. He blew out 200k of USD. Friends, 200k. That's why what you need to understand, as a fresher, you don't need huge account. Never forget about that. Forget. Why you don't need a big account? Why? Because if you don't know how to make money on small account, what will change on bigger account? Please tell me. What will change? Because on a fixed market, on crypto market, on stock market, you can trade the same patterns, just you change volume. That's all. On a fixed market, when you open a position, for example, like yesterday we opened buy on British pound when British pound broke key level, and some people can open one lot, some people can open 0.01. Here your risk could be like 100 USD, and here your risk will be in 100 times lower, 1 USD. That means you don't need for a start a big account, because what you need to understand, till you don't have a strategy, till you don't have approach, you will not make money in trading. Yes, some of you could be lucky and I recorded additional lesson about trading path, what stages you will go through. Below this video or here you will find a link on that lesson. Because without strategy, without understanding of market, you can make money only if it would be something lucky. Like we had crypto bull market, and everyone who bought after pullback make money. That was a good strategy, but after that we had 1 year bearish market, and those who just bought, they blew out everything. That's why it will not work. Once more, for a start, never use a big account, because you will blow out with 99 probability your first account. I know it, because I have been working in a fixed broker for 1 year, and I saw so many freshers, and believe me, most of you will blow out your first account. I blew out my first account, my friends blew out first account, and it's okay, because when you go on box, into gym and you start boxing first day with a guy who better than you, yes, he will punch you. Yes, it's okay. It's part of this business. That's why, once more, it's good that if you start crypto or a fixed market, on those markets you don't need big account. My recommendation for all of you to start not more than 500 USD, maximum 1000 USD. You don't need bigger account, because first you need to build your approach, you need to build statistic. First, for a start, make money on small account for at least 3 months in a row. For at least, only after that start increasing your volume. And also there is another problem in this business, because there are scam brokers who will call to you, who will call to you and will say, hi Yuri, hi Serge, we have analytics in our company, and our analytic will call to you, will help you in your trading career, but you should deposit your account on 10k, on 100k. You need to understand, in most cases that's companies, it's a bowling rooms, and most of the cases people will not get money from such companies. That's why you don't need to believe. As always, I recommend in every business and every area, start from a small, learn all rules, and only after that increase. That's all, it's period. There is nothing to add. Friends, and also I think I will save a links below this video. You'll find a links there. I will save screenshots of people who wrote to me and blew out their accounts, and I will show you 100k account, 150k account, 200k account. Why this lesson is important? Because if you will not hurry up, it's huge possibilities that you will save a lot of money. I remember Tahir from Canada. He originally from Pakistan. He moved to Canada and he worked in Canada a few years. He learned English, and there was a year when he had tax money. At the end of every year he need to pay his taxes, but he didn't pay it, and he put it on his brokerage account, nearly 30k of Canadian dollars, and he blew out everything. And when we spoke with him, he didn't have strategy. He didn't even understand what he have done. He didn't understand mistakes. That's all. As a fresher, in most cases, you will not understand what mistakes you possibly will do. That's why do not hurry up. Start with small money. Friends, above this, there will be voting about your first account in your trading. Please vote what was size. Also, right now, push like, subscribe, share this with your friends, and write a comment what you think about this lesson, what was useful for you, and give us update, because we want to become better and we want to share with you the best knowledge. Thank you for your time. Bye.